Renovations can be tricky, especially if you have to work around foundations and beams that support the home. Despite these limitations, interior designer Charlene Lanzarote managed to revamp the kitchen and dining area of his three-story apartment and made the space more open and welcoming. The owner of this old, three-story apartment in Quezon City wanted to change the ground floor's layout. The dining area would be closest to the entrance instead of the living area. This would mean that the closed-off kitchen would be harder to access from where the family eats. To maintain the townhome's structural integrity while addressing the client's request, the designer went with a pass-through window that partially opened the kitchen to the dining area, while also doubling as a breakfast nook. She explained that this allows ample amount of sunlight to come in and makes it more convenient to transfer food from the kitchen to the dining area. The kitchen also features one of the ground floor's focal points, the transition tiles combined with an entrance arch. According to the designer, instead of closing off the space with a door, this subtle architectural detail adds a little drama. Want to see the full renovation? Click the link in the video description below, and for more home tours and makeovers, visit reallivingonline.com.ph.